Oh, sore throat again. Wait, I've got an idea. Wild Sundarban honey from my local market. Let me make a kadha, that old grandma's recipe. See if this magic works.
Soothing kadha made with wild Sundarban honey from my local market is a golden elixir, versatile remedy for your well-being. It's not just your sweet treat, but a soothing balm for your sore throat, your cough and cold, and much more. Why settle for anything else? Just elevate your honey experience. Holistic natural remedy crafted for you.
Let me check if this magic works. What a relief! I already feel so good. Sore throat? Eat your match. Wild Sundarban honey from my local market. It's a game changer.